Hi everyone, back with another brand new video and defense today. I have bring another awesome project that is called XRB. Super first pre-sale is upcoming, and I will explain each and everything later to this amazing project, that how will you be grabbed this opportunity, so don't skip any part of this video. So before going to stuff further view, I would request if you're a new on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the notification of all upcoming videos. Notification. So let's start the review now. So welcome to XRP Super Diff, as you can also find out link in my video description. And here on solsale.app, you can also check out its details that its pre-sale will be upcoming. Only 4 hours and 59 minutes are left, and you will be able to participate in its pre-sale. It is a fair and limited token, makes the build on Satoshi Visions with only 21 million total supply, giving XRP Super the vanity to scale faster and reach massive potential on the Solana network they believe in. Long-term sustainability, transparency, and massive profitability for our early adopters. And this is your gateway to exclusive growth. Sodapest XRP Super allocated to aggressive development strategy, marketing, and unstoppable growth. And the liquid fully burned, creating a powerful different supply with growing long-term value. Here, you also check out some upcoming developments, so targeted marketing campaigns to drive massive exposures and community growth and centralized listing. Expanding XRP Supers the wage through major centralized exchange. And you will be able to check out it's the stacking options allowing holders to earn passive SOL reward and NFT integrations, and exclusive XRP Super NFT offering extra utility and special holder benefit. Allow authority and control and remote true decentralizations for true believers and defense. This project have a massive production inside, and I am also super excited for its pre-sale, and I will definitely participate in it here. You can also check out the link in the description box below, and I will see you in the next video. It's a SOL detail. Like that, you can also check out. It's a pre-sale address, and sale type is free launch token. Name is XRP Super, and the token symbol is X Super. You can also check out which total supply and dole for pre-sale and liquidity. At the soft cap is 1 SOL, and hard cap is infinite. You can also check out the pre-sale start and ending time and date as well. The liquidity is 30%. You can also check out now. Here we can also check out which token make the distributions of the project, and you also learn more detail about it. So DFS, 60% reserved for only pre-sale, and DFs, you can also check that 6.12% for the liquidity, and 4.76% for locked centralized listing, and you also check out 11.59% unlock as well. Also check out the initial market cap and circulating market cap and FDB market cap and token mix, detail each and everything. You can also check out the rocks detail about X Super centralizing and treasury detail as well. So this is an awesome project that are massive cash flow inside, and it's please upcoming, then you will be able to participate and grab this opportunity, and you can hold it. And later on, sort of make a lot of passive income, as well as you will be able to stack and earn reward, and you will be able to participate in NFTs as well. So defense, I also recommend it to all my community. I'm by my friend, so must be join its Telegram and X account to get latest news and appear later to this amazing project. And defense, once its pre-sale will be ended, then it will be listed on the centralized exchange as well as on the DEX screener. Check out Terminal Radium and DEX store where you will be able to grab opportunity you will be able to buy from here as well. So defense, you will use your Phantom wallet or software if you have. If you don't have the wallet, then you can easily download and find our link here. And defense, you can also read out its white paper to get and learn more information later to this amazing project and join the revolutions. Invest in XRP Super today and grab this opportunity once it will be live. And I surely it can be a very, very amazing project in 2025, but it must be kept in your mind to your own research before investing in this project. I hope you like this video, share with friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.